Hengkaituo PCBA business was started in 2004 and now is the most complete large-scale OEM and ODM manufacturer in Shenzhen. We specialize in high quality of PCBA ODM full turnkey service. This fully turnkey service includes PCB production, component sourcing, and PCB assembly. We also offer assistance for PCB diagram design, PCB production, and software programming, and so forth. Being a professional PCBA factory, Hengkaituo has more than 12 years of OEM and ODM working experiences under advanced equipment and unique technology. Our workshop size for SMT is 4,000 square meter. We have a staff of 300 members in the company with 3,000 square meter workshop. Our mission is as simple as total customer satisfaction, which is not only supported by our cost-effective and quality-orientated PCBA, but also backed by excellent services. Lately, more and more customers from Europe, USA, Australia, and South America choose us as a long-term PCBA and ODM partner in China. Companies like Gamatronic, Wago, Sonos, IPC, or NIDA, just to mention a few, are familiar with our capabilities and standards. We are sincerely looking forward to get the opportunity to show our service to you too. You are most welcome to try us.